Hi Spuddies, I'm super disorganised again. It's 12:15, I haven't even eaten. Anyway, I've just made this. Just air fried chunky slices, and I've put on onion jam because I'm a bit over the tangy stuff at the moment. And notice, like, there's heaps of potato and not too much sauce. It's really, it doesn't matter if you're eating a bit of sugar and stuff like that. That's just not a big deal, as long as it's not much sauce. You only add a tiny bit of sauce for taste, not stacks of sauce drowning your potatoes so that all you're eating is sauce, because that would become a problem. Just wanted to show you how weird it is here at the moment with the bushfires. So it's summer. It's been 44 degrees, 30 degrees, whatever. Today is cold. I'm in a jumper and like I have the heater on in the car. And this is the smoke. So it's misty a little bit, but you can't see anything out there because it's so, like, it stinks of smoke. Everywhere stinks of smoke. It's actually been hard to breathe today, and I don't get any kind of asthma or allergy or anything like that. But yeah, it's just. And it's worth noting we're hundreds of kilometres away from the fires. It's just coming across. I believe this is coming across the water from Tasmania. So, yeah. I've brought Andrew down. We've been filming everything separately because we have separate times during the day. So I've been off
different people doing different things.
Imagine.
At different times.
Yeah. So I've been off working on one thing, and Andrew's been with the kids and doing this amazing project.
Aren't those people over there so noisy?
They are so noisy. Doing other things, and anyway, he didn't realise I'd cut straight from me being. Well, very serious. We're on the brink of something major going on, and yeah. Anyway, it cuts then to Andrew's amazing new project, and I was thinking, oh gee, that's a bit of a jarring videography moment. So, but I don't want to bring it down. I've brought it down.
Basically, we've cut the intro that was going to be there for the next bit.
I can't find it.
And I'm introducing it now in a sad way. Because it's a sad day.
It is.
It is. I'm not trying to.
We're in a sad moment in history.
It is. It's very sad.
But this could be the light at the end of one tiny tunnel that doesn't matter in the scheme of things.
This is really, yeah.
Anyway, this is actually
the world is burning and it's sad, but you've also got to have fun and have a laugh.
Well, you've got to eat,
and you've got to eat, and this is good for all of the above.
Right.
So, this used to be a toilet brush. It has never seen a toilet. It also represents the greatest moment in potato history. It is. I
still struggle.
I bought it from the shop today, and I've never done anything else with it except for what you're about to see. Now, I came up with this idea because one of the questions I get most often is how do you clean your potatoes? People get sick of cleaning potatoes all the time, and I get sick of it too. So I basically stopped cleaning my potatoes, and I bought potatoes that are already cleaned, and that's what I say to people: just buy potatoes that are already clean. You don't have to worry about cleaning them. But it turns out that you can't get clean potatoes everywhere.
Oh,
and
really?
Yeah, I've coached lots of, like, on an individual one-to-one, my coaching thing. I've coached lots of people that can't get already cleaned potatoes. So quite a long time I came up with this idea, and I told people that I coached to do it, but no one ever did until about 3 days ago. And Steve, good on you, Steve. Hi Steve, are you watching?
That's Andrew's dad. He's over there.
He's over there.
A different Steve.
Steve did it, and he sent me a video, and I was going to share his video, but then I thought I should just do it myself. And so I've done it. Here's how it goes. You get a brush. It's got to be symmetrical. It doesn't have to be a toilet brush.
It has to be clean.
It just has to be symmetrical.
It has to be unused.
All right, and it has to be symmetrical because you're going to put it in your drill like this. Oh, other way. There you go. You've got a potato cleaner. Watch the next bit.
Go. Here we go.
Ready? Ready, Teddy? You going to help me?
Yeah.
All right, you squeeze the trigger. Here we go. Keep squeezing, hard.
I'm not got my phone in.
Right, my go.
Oh, wow. peeling them a bit. Oh, that one's peeled.
Look at that.
You've lost half that smudge.
Chunked it up.
No, I cut that one because it was a.
Oh, okay.
yeah.
I thought that's the cleanest brush cut I've ever.
Look at that.
That's pretty
Hey, a
good.
toilet,
Oh, it's actually clean.
Yeah, they're
toilet
clean.
cleaning. A toilet
still
brush
getting-
cleaning of the potatoes.
It's gross,
That's
but-
awesome.
It's not gross. You're a weirdo.
I know, I'm weird, I know.
I think more water in the bucket might work.
Yeah.
Maybe. This is good.
It's really good.
You've
though.
just saved how much?
This was
How much
because
is a kilo of
so
brush
usually
versus
it's the cheapest one. Well, I buy from Woolies. I buy 4 kilos for $8
Yeah,
of washed potatoes.
yeah.
And I have a squid.
No. So,
These were $3 for 5 kilos.
I forgot to listen to that.
Day 6 done. I just realised that what
That was a miracle.
what was
That was a potato miracle.
what was oh the cleanup
Previous
thing.
thing of just.
I'm sure you'll agree that's the greatest moment in potato history. Well, maybe second to the discovery of potatoes.
And the ending of the potato famine.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I
A few other,
suppose.
a few other things.
All right. I just realised that I haven't actually shared what I've eaten today.
Oh,
So I'll just tell you, I've had some baked sweet Japanese sweet potatoes, and I've had some baked normal white potatoes with hot sauce.
oh, that hot sauce is called Frank's hot sauce.
Frank's red hot sauce. Frank's red hot sauce.
I tried that red hot, but it was so good. It was nice. It was much nicer than some other hot sauces. They
Just-
really vary.
Just so you know,
Oh, I've had lots of onion jam and herbs and salt.
you not finding it red hot doesn't change the name of it being called red hot.
And you found a bargain with Hawaiian potatoes, didn't you?
I did.
We should go there tomorrow and chat to them.
Yeah, good idea.
do that.
Let's not talk about it till tomorrow then.
Okay. Well, we can talk about what's coming up
Yeah, okay.
on day
Yeah,
7.
found a
So
good
today's
shop.
my
Alright.
mum's birthday.
Happy birthday, your mum.
She's awesome. Jan. Very youthful.
All right.
She's a
well,
loose
is that
cannon.
it? I think that's it for today. Then.
Oh, Andrew's mum's coming. Look out.
Hello, darlings.
All right, go away now.
This is Kate. She's the world's best mother-in-law.
This is my son.
I think they already know since I called your mum.
He's awesome, and I'm
She's right.
I'm very proud of him. I love him to bits, and Mandy's all right.
Yeah, well, you know, what I was saying it was relative.
Yeah, we all love each other. So there we go. So this is my beautiful boy. Isn't he lovely? And I hear all of you guys talking about him and saying how awesome he is, and I go, holy smoly. That's my boy.
Do you think,
So-
yeah, that's all me?
No. Oh,
Steve.
absolutely not.
Do you think it's because of
He's
Steve?
just,
All right, that's
I
enough
don't know,
of that.
I don't
That's
know
enough
where
of
it
this.
came from. Mwah. We love him.
Yeah.
We love him. He's
Right.
Andrew's
gorgeous.
loving this
Yeah.
right now.
Cut you
This
off
is
now.
Andrew's favourite
Bye.
moment.
Yeah, go away, mum.